welcome to Anita's Kitchen. Today I just fancied having a roast pepper dip today. It just makes just breaks the norm from having hummus. And this is originally called Muhammra. It's from the Aleppo region of Syria, and it's found loads in Turkish dishes as well. And it's absolutely so easy to do, delicious, and it's great to do on parties or get-togethers. So for the ingredients that you need is you need about like a handful of walnuts, pine nuts, 1 clove of garlic, 1 small onion, and it's very spicy and chilies. So you need chili flakes, about a dash of lemon, and you need roasted peppers. So because I'm a bit of time short, I always get a jar of peppers, roasted peppers that you can find in all the supermarkets these days. So let's get started. So first we need to roast the walnuts. I think when roasting the nuts, it just brings out the nuttiness a bit more. So that's why I like to roast all my nuts and the pine nuts. So roast this for about 3 minutes till you can start smelling the aromas. It's nearly there. And it's the walnuts that will bring the crunchiness to this dip as well. There you go. We're done. So I'm just going to take it off. Now I'm just going to put a bit of oil because I don't like the raw taste of the garlic and the onions in the dip, so I like to roast them a bit. You don't need to cut them into small pieces, just chunks. Everything is going to get blended anyways. So that's it. This just needs to saute for about a couple of minutes till the rawness of the garlic and the onions go away. That's it. And at this stage, you can either add your cumin or cumin powder. It. You just need to blend all the ingredients into a fine liquidy paste. So go. Bung in your garlic and your onions. Put your walnuts in. Leave a few of the pine nuts for the garnishing of the dip. Get your chili flakes, your peppers, dash of lemon. And what makes a huge difference to this dish is the pomegranate essence. It just gives a nice oomph and lifts up the dip as well. So it gives a nice sweetness. So I need about like 2 teaspoons. Go. It's the tanginess that will bring the dish together. And a bit of salt. About half a teaspoon. And you just need to blend everything in till it comes through a fine mixture. So at this stage, I usually just add a couple of teaspoons of olive oil. Just drizzle that in. That's it, all done. I like my dip a bit chunkier, but if you like it a bit more smooth, then you just need to blend it a bit more. There you go. And it's ready to serve. You can add breadcrumbs in it as well. And just garnish with a few pine nuts. and a drizzle of olive oil. So there you go guys. Enjoy my muhammra. It's either, you can call it a red roasted pepper dip with pita bread, or with breadsticks, or with chapatis. Do enjoy and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.